Welcome to our instructional video on solving for the variable in a simple algebraic equation. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the equation 2x plus 5 equals 11. By following a few simple steps, we will find the value of x that makes this equation true. So let's get started. Step 1. To solve for the variable in the equation 2x plus 5 equals 11, we first need to isolate the term with the variable. Currently, the equation reads 2x plus 5 equals 11. In order to isolate 2x, we must eliminate the term 5 from the left side. To do this, we need to subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. Let's do the subtraction. On the left side, we have 2x plus 5. When we subtract 5 from 2x plus 5, the result is 2x. On the right side, we have 11. When we subtract 5 from 11, the result is 6. After this subtraction, our expression is altered. The new equation reads 2x equals 6. This concludes step 1, where we've simplified the equation by removing a constant term from the left side. Now the equation is easier to solve, as 2x equals 6 directly relates to our variable x. Step 2. In this step, we solve for the variable x, now that our equation is simplified to 2x equals 6. To isolate x, we need to remove the coefficient 2 that is multiplying x. To do this, we will divide both sides of the equation by 2. On the left side, we have 2x. When we divide this by 2, the result is x. On the right side, we have 6. When we divide this by 2, the result is 3. After this division, our expression is altered. The new equation reads x equals 3. Therefore, the value of the variable x is 3. This concludes step 2 and is the final step. We have solved the equation by isolating the variable and finding that x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.